Okie dokie. For the test of XTP8871, we will be using, of course, the XTP8871, powered by a 3.7 volts LiPo battery at 320 milliamps. This is the charger for the battery. This is a 50K B potentiometer, on-off switch, input jack, output cable. This is the main build for the amp. Okay, now let's see what else we will use. This is a KORG Pandora PX4 for effects. I have built a custom effect, as you see, Def 80s. And the mini amp will be driving this speaker. Is a 6x9" coaxial 4-way, it says, 150 PMPO. That means it's about 60 to 75 RMS watt, 4 ohm impedance. As you can see, the 4-way is long gone. I'm only having the woofer itself. Okay, so let's go now and hear how it sounds. After I will show you what guitar I will be using. The guitar is a Fender Stratocaster, single. We will be using the bridge PU, so you can hear how it sounds. We will try clean and overdriven with the PX4. Okay, now you might want to lower your speakers because it's gonna get loud. Here's the clean channel. Okay, yep, this was the clean channel. I'm not trying to play anything because it's very hard to keep my phone steady, or approximately steady, and film and also play guitar. Okay, please forgive me. Now here is again the clean channel. The volume of the amp is on the top level, the full throttle. Okay, so let's hear the dirty channel. Okay, yep, it gets feedback. So let's lower the amp. This is the minimum. It's just a little bit of volume added, and I honestly don't dare to put the amp to the full, to turn it all the way up, because it's getting extremely loud. So you can see what I mean. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.